Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And today I'm all about Rihanna. Everything that I am doing is about the beautiful Rihanna. And if you're interested in this challenge, stay tuned. So as usual, you guys, you know, I dive right in. I was so excited and just had a profound feeling that I wanted to emulate this look. I don't know that I'm gonna be able to do it, but I'm gonna give it my best shot. This is Rihanna, as you all know, gorgeous as ever. And this is Harper Bazaar. This is the May 2019 issue, and it says All Eyes on Rihanna. So I am going to attempt to recreate this look. It may be a little bit of a lengthy video because this is phenomenal. Unbelievable. I was like, okay, I gotta try this. And my whole face is fully done, ready, slayed, and ready to go with Fenty Beauty products. So everything Fenty Beauty, I love it. Lipstick, love it, love it. Glare, glowing, yes, I love it. So what I'm going to have to use to achieve this look, I'm going in with Jeffree Star Blood Sugar. This is really the only palette that I have that has red, enough red in it to really try to achieve this look. In addition to that, I'm using BH Cosmetics, Take Me Back to Brazil, because this has some most adoring, beautiful, vibrant colors. And I'll be able to use the blue, yellow, and green from this palette. So here we go. So I've already primed my eyes with Fenty Beauty Eye Primer, and I've set it just to help make sure that the eyeshadows go on well. So all the brushes that I'm using are Morphe brushes, as usual. Love you, Morphe. Okay, and recently I went to the Morphe store in the Midwest that just opened up. It's at this place called Somerset. Oh my God, it was fabulous. I was so happy that finally it's close to where I am. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Morphe. Yes. Of course I bought $100 and some worth of stuff. Simply because I wanted to support the store and I needed some new brushes to help with my channel. Okay, so I'm starting out. It looks like I'm going to do a transition shade in red. Hello. But I'm not going to start with red. I'm going to ease into it. So I'm using Cake Bake to start as the transition shade. And just to help support Jeffree, I'm going to use this mirror. Okay, here we go. This is up close and personal. All right. And of course, I love Jeffree Star's pigmentation and also the little or no fallout of the product. Love him. Okay, so now, all right, I'm going to go red. This is scary. Okay, which red? Okay, so I'm going to go in with this red. It's cherry soda. I'm using cherry soda. Woo, honey. Look at that red. It is gorgeous. And when you're using such pigmented colors, you've got to use very little product because it can go wrong really fast. But this is quite nice. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh my God, this is so pigmented. Taking it up just a little bit to blend right over the transition shade of Cake Mix. Okay. It's getting scary in here. All right, now let's see. Okay, so she has a blue. So I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to go in with Take Me Back to Brazil by BH Cosmetics. And the colors are not named here, so I apologize. I'm not going to really give color names in this one. Okay, so let me do this blue. Ooh, honey child, this is something else. Okay. But Rihanna is phenomenal. as I say on most of my videos. And so I wanted to do whatever I could to support her. So I definitely went out and bought her entire line pretty much. I need to get some of the eyeshadow, and when she comes out with a new palette, I got the first palette. Wow. Hello. Oh my God. How are we going to do this? Okay. Here we go. Let me see. All right. And then she goes in with, look, a little deeper blue. Let me grab one of my other brushes. Let me see here. Oh, this is kind of scary, y'all. I don't know. I hope I can pull it off. I think I can. I think I can. Let me use this brush here. I'm going to go in. And then she has a hint of green on top. Oh, Lord. And it's right above her eyebrow. Wow, this BH Cosmetics is very pigmented. Oh, I love this brand. Whoa. Okay, Rihanna, I'm trying, honey. I am trying. So I got to get red further down. I'm going to use this red from BH for this area here. And I am using some of the most pigmented palettes. Oh, wow. Okay. Just making sure I blend well. Okay, it's looking kind of crazy, but hey, I'm all in now. No turning back now, y'all. And you guys know, for me to actually try this, it's only because of you and YouTube that I would ever attempt to do this. But I am getting close to sheer perfection with this. I cannot believe it. Okay, I'm going a little darker under the eye with Intravenous from Jeffree Star's palette. Okay, wow. All right, let me see. I'm trying to do a little bit more with the blue. I want to make the blue a little bit darker where there's a distinction. Ooh, dirty, dirty, nasty. Okay. Okay, now All right, so now I'm gonna do the yellow. Oh no, holy moly, holy moly. Okay, yellow, let's see. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do my liner, mascara, and lashes off camera, and I'll come back for the final look. This is wild, but I'm trying. So here is Rihanna's look. And here's mine. I have to do the final touches with the eyeliner, eyeliner, mascara, and the lashes. All right, I'll be back. Okay. Oh my gosh. So this is the final look. Whoa, this is way too much. So this is all eyes on Rihanna. Harper's Bazaar featured her on the cover, and I just had I don't know, an epiphany, and I said, okay, let me do this challenge. So I challenge all of you out there to copy this look, Rihanna's look on May 2019, Harper's Bazaar. And honestly, I didn't think I did so bad. Let me know what you think. This is so provocative. It's just amazing. So the up close look. I use all of Fenty Beauty makeup on my face. Everything is Fenty Beauty. I use Jeffree Star Blood Sugar for my eyes and BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil for the vibrant colors, because I couldn't find them anywhere in all the palettes that I had. So let me know what you think. Please give me a thumbs up and a like. Subscribe to my channel by clicking the JB. Follow me on all of my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and also sign up for the contest that I'm having on my Instagram channel. Please, please, please give me a like, subscribe. Thank you so much. Comment, and I'd love to see you do this challenge. This is the Rihanna Harper Bazaar challenge that Jacqueline Beauty has created. And I'm doing my travel journal, so follow me there. I love you guys. Please join our family here. Subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'd love to see what you do. See you in the next video. Bye.